I've had a lot of people ask me how we can actually create an AI chatbot for WordPress websites, ones that you can easily just install and it will handle all your website visitors. It will speak to them, it will answer questions. Ideally, the chatbot will actually know everything about your business, including what services, what hours, and what offerings that you actually have. So today, we are going to show you exactly how that's done, and we're going to use a real example using Eddy AI, which has been developed by my company, HighPeak Pro. All the links, everything you need will be down below. Are you ready? Awesome, let's go. Okay, so this setup is going to be for a client of ours. It's a gym on the Sunshine Coast, Kazan, fantastic website. And the website features a gallery. It's got all their workouts. It's got details about their services, including all the personal training that they do, group classes, any sort of nutrition advice. It's got a fair bit of information on there. And for a gym though, it's not always feasible for staff to respond to every inquiry actually live. And that's where Eddy AI HighPeak Pro is going to come in. So Eddy AI is designed to instantly answer questions about the classes, about the trainers, about the membership options. So let's get started by creating a new chatbot for this website. First of all, I'm going to head over to HighPeak Pro. As I mentioned, there is a link below if you want to get yours and get the free chatbot for your WordPress site. First thing we're going to do is click Settings. Go to the Conversation AI section. This is where we will actually train the bot or the AI bot how to speak to our clients. So in bot settings, there's several different options that we can do here. We can either turn the AI completely off. That means the bot would just work as just any other chatbot on any other website. So that's one way to do that. Another way to do this would be to actually suggest the suggestive mode. So the suggestive mode actually allows the AI to suggest a response, but it doesn't actually give the person the response. So it's sort of like halfway between automatic and manual. And that's great if you don't just fully trust our AI overlords just yet. Or we go autopilot, and that's the one we're going to use today. So that'll actually send messages automatically, and that's the one as I say, we're going to do. So we'll select that. Then next, we select the supported channels. Now, Eddy AI is primarily used as a chat widget. We're going to use that in this example as a chat widget, but higher different types of accounts and premium accounts actually allow you to use it for all sorts of things, such as Instagram, Facebook, SMS, WhatsApp, you name it. So a lot of different mediums. So in this case, we're just going to select chat widget here, and we're going to set the business name, how long to actually wait before responding. We have some more options here about how many maximum messages to send and how long to wait until they finish before it actually puts the bot back to sleep. And then when we're ready, we'll just click save. And then we'll head over to the bot training. Now, the training is where we're actually going to teach Eddy AI exactly what to say and how to act. So what we'll do is we'll add a website link, and then we press get data. Now, Eddy AI will scan the website and collect all the pages and then load them into its memory. Process takes a few seconds. And Eddy AI, as I say, he finds all the pages, he saves them, and then we can either choose exact URL, so we can be very specific on exactly what we want it to do, give it a URL and it'll only copy that page, or we can say all the URLs with that path, so it'll go through the entire website and find all the URLs that have that exact path and then copy them down, or all the URLs at the actual domain level. So that will pull everything. So just be wary of that. If you have a lot of blogs or anything like that, we've had a couple of instances where somebody would have 500 blog pages and nothing to do with their website. And obviously that would pull all of that information through as well. So just be wary on that. You can also add some customizable FAQs, some Q&As at the bottom here to handle any information not discovered by the web crawler. So just go through and add the question and then add the answer. You can add as many as you want. I usually tell people try and keep that to around about 4 or 5 questions, because this is going to be front and center of the bot's mind. So think of these as like pre-qualifying questions as well that you can actually discover and make sure that you're getting the bot to actually act as intended. Then we are going to head over to configure intent, and this is where we're going to give our bot the intent to actually accomplish whatever desire that we have. So we can choose to either select support and questions and Q&A, so it effectively turns the bot into a customer support support agent. Fantastic. Or we can choose the appointment booking service down here. It can actually link directly into different types of service calendars that you can also get through HighPeak Pro if that's what you want to do, and can book all the way through to actually choosing the appointment, warming up the leads, going all the way through to actually booking them in the calendar and handling all the reminders as well. So pretty insane what they can actually do. In both of these, you can actually customize the prompt. So this is really important. The prompt is the main instruction to actually teach Eddie AI how to behave. So you explain who he is, you also explain what the goal is, and then you explain or tell him anything else that he should know. So the prompt you see here are already preloaded. So this is great. They're battle tested, they're hardened, they've been refined, and they're being refined all of the time. So you'll often be able to go in here, and just over the last couple of months, we've been able to put different templates in here. So you can come through here and refine that even further and make sure that it's really fitting and getting the exact thing as the technology starts to improve, which is perfect. We'll let the nerds do what they do best, right? Once the bot is fully trained, then we head over and we start to refine exactly how it looks. So hit the go back button here and then go back to the front page and click sites. We choose the chat widget, and then depending on our level, your menus may look a little bit different here than the one that we've got here. This is a premium account, but on the free widget, you should also have this button here, which says chat widget. Click that, and then we're going to create a new widget. And for this example, we're installing this on a WordPress site. So let's select live chat and we name the widget here. Next, we'll customize how the chat widget looks on the actual website. So we can customize a lot of different things here. We can add a welcoming message that will appear when somebody visits the site. We can also set it to show after a few seconds, or we can customize the way it behaves, the way it looks, the images. Once you're happy with all the different colors and you've chosen a new chatbot avatar maybe, or select an image here and just give the chat a fresh new look. Once it's all ready to go, then it's all about just installing it on the WordPress site. Now, it's a really quick process. You just click up here at the top right hand corner here. There's two different options. You can either directly add the plugin. So if you click here, you'll be directed to another page. It'll show you where the plugin is. Just download this plugin, go to WordPress, install the plugin, and just follow the prompts and you'll be right to go. There'll be a little button there just to select your chat widget and you'll be ready to rock in no time. Or even easier, or if you don't have a WordPress site, just simply click this button here and then just copy this tiny little piece of code and just add this to the body or to the footer or to the header of your website. And that doesn't matter whether you're on Wix or anything. It doesn't matter what website you're on. You can add this little bit of code and the chat widget will appear. Perfect. Then it's all installed and now the plugin is activated. All we have to do here now is just refresh the page and check it out. So here is the chatbot. It's now visible in the bottom right hand corner. We can test it out. Well, let's just say what other services do you do? And you can see here it's going to wait for the set amount of time that we asked it to, and then it's going to respond as such. Now, I'm a big believer, don't try and get your bot to actually act like a human being. Allow the person, if they do say, hey, are you a bot, to just respond, yes, I am a bot. There's nothing worse than trying to deceive your customers in any way, shape or form. So just be open and honest. Let them know you're using AI to actually help respond faster, better, and make them obviously a better customer experience. So that's all it comes down to. Obviously, the bot will it'll respond as accurately as possible. It'll provide any sort of relevant information. And if the user sort of needs more specific details around your business or any sort of additional questions, then they'll be contacted to just contact the gym directly or the client directly or yourself directly, and then obviously go further than that. So you can add your own phone numbers, emails, and as I say, if you are using AI, you can actually go as far as linking in your calendar and having that booking automatically go through, which is excellent. And the bot automatically captures any sort of interactions. You can monitor the chats. You can do that back through the CRM system through HighPeak Pro, view any responses, answer them directly through here. You can also get a summary of all the conversations. You can get them forwarded to your normal email if that's easier for you. The cooler thing about this also is that there's an app that also goes with this. So you can download the app for free. You get the full CRM, everything all inside HPP, and you can answer them directly from there or monitor the conversations as you see fit. Now, this is a simple overview of adding an AI chatbot to your WordPress site. If you want to set up your own chatbot, just simply go to Eddy AI, sign up for the free trial, and depending on your requirements, my guess is after you see this in action and start realizing the potential of the bot working with intent to actually get you to the desired result, you will want to expand its reach across all other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, SMS, email, you name it. So we're here to help you do that. It's an amazing time we live in. So do what you need to do, download, click the link, go check out Eddy AI. If you like this video, please give us a like and a subscribe. And if you want to know more about how to get your business working more with less hustling, then stay connected. Drop us a comment and let's grow our businesses together. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one.